Thanks very much for staying with us. Directly cutting across to a major protest that has now been organized in Navi Mumbai area over the naming of the new international airport in the city. Ahead of the protest today, heavy police bandobast that has been put in place. But we can see numbers that are just increasing by the minute. This is a huge crowd that has gathered. This is on part of the locals that has now come across, and the protest that is taking place under the name of the International Airport and Namkarna Kriti Samiti, who have threatened to do a Gherao Andolan at the CIDCO Bhavan to press for their demand. We'll be getting you more details on the same, as protesters claim that approximately 1 lakh people are joining here at this point, where it is also being said that they are backed by the local leaders. The agitators are now demanding that Navi Mumbai Airport will now be named after a socialist leader. This is a major protest that is currently taking place in Navi Mumbai. Yesha getting us more details. Yesha, a massive crowd that has gathered in the area. We're looking at a heavy police deployment too. Just give us more details with regard to this protest taking place.
That's right. So what has really happened in this case is that the local residents have said that they would want the Navi Mumbai International Airport to be named after the socialist leader, that is D.B. Patil. But on the other hand, Shiv Sena has been demanding that this particular airport be named after Balasaheb Thackeray. So in that case, what we've seen is approximately 1 lakh people would be expected to gather at this particular location, that is the CIDCO office at Navi Mumbai. It is at a farm-based road and also what we've seen is approximately 1,000 policemen would be deployed by the Navi Mumbai police in this particular case. Now, there will be a day-long protest, and as a result of which, there's a heavy bandobast that is done by the Navi Mumbai police, and several roads leading to that particular CIDCO Bhavan have been blocked. The protest was expected to begin at 10:30. However, due to slight delay, now the protest should begin anytime soon, and it would continue until the end of the day. Now, this is because there are various local leaders who said that considering this is the new international airport, it should be named after the local leader. And in this case, this airport is still under construction as we see, but the work would be expected to be completed in the next few years. Yes.
Well, Yesha, looking at the massive crowd there, first how such a massive crowd was allowed to actually gather in the same area, because we are looking at the protest, as you say, that is still yet to begin at this point. We are looking at the numbers that seems to be steadily increasing.
That's right. So despite the fact that there have been no social distancing norms, or for that matter, under the COVID guidelines, people are still gathering. What we see is while they were yet to take permission, the Navi Mumbai police has already deployed enough people. So what we see is this is going to be a huge protest, because it was claimed by people that approximately 1 lakh people would gather at this particular location, that is the CIDCO Bhavan. So in that case, what we've seen is it is a protest called in by the local people around, and as a result of it, people are still gathering. So like I said, it was expected to begin at 10:30, but the crowd is slowly crippling in, and approximately 1 lakh people would gather there. Yes.
All right, Yesha, thanks very much for joining in. Massive protest taking place in Navi Mumbai, as we're expecting the protesters will just increase by the number over the period of time. Ahead of the protest today, heavy police bandobast can also be seen in Navi Mumbai. Moving on to national updates.